Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. The law is holy, just, and good. February 3rd. Attributes of God's law. Wherefore the law is holy, and the commandments holy, and just, and good. Romans chapter 7, verse 12. As the supreme ruler of the universe, God has ordained laws for the government, not only of all living beings, but of all operations of nature. Everything, whether great or small, animate or inanimate, is under fixed law, which cannot be disregarded. There are no exceptions to this rule, for nothing that the divine hand had made has been forgotten by the divine mind. To man alone, the crowning work of his creation, God has given a conscience to realize the sacred claims of the divine law, and a heart capable of loving it as holy, just, and good. And of man, prompt and perfect obedience is required. This rule forbids all oppression from parents and all obedience from children. The Lord is full of loving kindness, mercy, and truth. His law is holy, just, and good, and must be obeyed by parents and children. The rule which should regulate the lives of parents and children flow from the heart of infinite love, and God's rich blessing will rest upon those parents who administer His law in their homes, and upon the children who obey this law. The combined influence of mercy and justice is to be felt. Mercy and truth are met together. Righteousness and peace have kissed each other. The household, under His discipline, will walk in the way of the Lord to do justice and judgment. Let the youth look upon the divine standard and never be content with a low aim. Walk not hesitantly, but firmly in the strength and grace of Jesus Christ. Unto Him is committed all power in heaven and in earth. Take refuge in Jesus Christ and enter into a firm covenant with Him in faith to love and serve Him. Since the law of God is holy and just and good, a transcript of the divine perfection, it follows that a character formed by obedience to that law will be holy. Christ is the perfect example of such a character. This is your daily devotional. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for your further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.